destroyed. It was a mistake, Father. All that smoke and that fires of apocalypse. There shall be a next time, sweet friends. And when we meet again, I shall learn you Wonder Woman.
We now continue with the Super Friends. On an otherwise quiet day at the Hall of Justice.
Ta-ta! Take that, Superman!
Ouch, that really hurts, Samurai. I've got it. Knight to King's Pawn 3.
Probably invented your. Yes. Yes, I can help you. So, you have ordered coffee?
Yeah, like it's not curved up.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the side holes.
You ask Carl? Yeah, Is that okay? Okay.